for 5 minutes. Yes.
Okay.
in the market, and that algorithm developed by the Alstor लॉज फॉर रीजनिंग. तो रीजनिंग ये जो कंसेप्ट है ये एआई का ही कंसेप्ट है, वो वहां से आया फ्रॉम फिलोसॉफी. ओके, देन फ्रॉम द मैथमेटिक्स. In 1847, Boole introduced the formal language for making a logical inference. This is the term which is also used in AI. Logical inference. We will have this term in third unit, logical inference. Okay. Then from economics, in 1776, Smith views economics as consisting of agents maximizing their own well-beings payoff. So this is the again term which are used as a part of economy in AI. Then from neuroscience, in 1861 study how brains process information. अभी आपने देखा होगा कि डीप लर्निंग, न्यूरल नेटवर्किंग या फिर न्यूरल कंप्यूटिंग, ये सारे टर्म्स जो है ये विद रिलेट. These terms are also relates with the AI. Okay, so from neuroscience, the bone was there. Then psychology, in psychology perspective, in 1879, the cognitive psychology initiated through the AI. Yes. Then from the linguistic, बैकग्राउंड नॉइज ज्यादा आ रहा है क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
From the linguistic, in 1957, the Skinner studied behaviorist approach to language learning. So natural language processing, then language understanding, language learning, that are also part of AI. Okay, so these are the foundation aspects of AI. Okay, we have already seen, but in the not specifically from these areas we have not seen. Yes. After that, we have seen why the artificial intelligence, then goals of AI. Yes. Then we have seen the brief history. याद है ना सबको? Yes or no? Then, see, after that, we have seen the applications of AI in many question papers, previous question papers. The question asked in exam that explain the state of art of AI. So, various applications in various areas are called as the state of art of AI. Okay, so it can be also known as the state of the art of AI. Okay, so if the question arises in exam, then you can answer with this regard. These are the applications of AI. After that, we have seen the risks and benefits of AI. Then types of AI, narrow AI, general AI, weaker AI, then super AI. Then we have seen the concept of agent in AI. What is agent? Very important concept is that agent. What is agent? क्या है? No one can answer. Example of agent. Types of agent. कोणीच आन्सर देऊ शकत नाही.
Utility based.
Hmm? Yes, Manali.
Type of agent complex simple goal based agents.
Couldn't understand. सुना ही नहीं दिया.
Ma'am, ma'am, there is a lot of background.
Types of
Hmm.
model based,
Yes, types are model based agent,
utility based, goal based.
utility goal based. Yes. We
Simple
just saying example is Alexa. What does Alexa do? Why it is called as agent?
Because it takes
Hmm?
data from the environment and then acts accordingly.
Yes, it gets the inputs or it perceives the inputs from the environment, then it acts on that particular perceptions, and then it will perform that actions through the actuators. Yes, we have seen the concepts related or terms related to agent also. Sensors, actuators, and effectors are there. Then this is the basic diagram of agent. I have added it. We have seen in types of agent also. ऐसे diagrams देखे हैं हमने. Yes. So these are the general properties of AI system. See, environment is there. From the environment, it takes the percepts through the sensors. Then after the reasoning will be happen in the system, and then through the actuator, it will perform the actions. Yes, this is the working of agent. Then simple ये दिया उन्होंने percept क्या है? It is a complete history of everything the agent has ever perceived from the environment. Okay, what is the agent function? It maps the perception to an action. We have seen this in a architecture of that particular agent. It determines the agent's behavior or abstract mathematical description that is called as agent function. What is the agent program? Implementation of an agent function is called as agent program, and an agent together with its environment is called as a world. Okay, उसको world बोलते हैं. The agent together with the environment it's called as world. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है क्योंकि ये कंसेप्ट आपको नेक्स्ट यूनिट में भी है. Why it is called as world? Because agent with environment. एजेंट क्या है? जो ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म कर रहा है वो. ठीक है. एंड एनवायरनमेंट क्या है? द सराउंडिंग्स वेयर एजेंट वर्क्स. यस. So agent with the environment is called as world. Got it? Yes. ये हमने ऑलरेडी देखा है. An agent perceives its environment through the sensors. The complete set of inputs at a given time is called as a percept, which is received from the environment. Okay, the current percept or a sequence of percepts may influence the actions of an agent. Based on the perception, the agent performs the action. Yes. And after the having perceptions, agent performs the action through actuators. Just a second. Yes, after having the perceptions from the environment, it will perform the actions according to the perception through the actuators. This is the actual working of an agent. Yes, we have seen this architecture also. This is the agent function. F equals to perception maps with the action. And what is the program? It is the program of implementation of agent function on the machine where the AI runs. Yes, agent is equals to architecture plus program. This is a basic program is given for a vacuum cleaner world. Why it is called as world? Because agent plus environment is called as world. So this is the example taken here as for the agent. Okay. What is the function there? Reflex vacuum agent. Reflex is the agent time. रिफ्लेक्स बेस्ड एजेंट जो है वो वही उसका एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे. रिफ्लेक्स वैक्यूम एजेंट. अभी देखो हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या है. वैक्यूम क्लीनर. ठीक है. हमें क्या करना है इसमें? गोल क्या है हमारा? टू क्लीन द सरफेसेस. ओके. आइदर इट इज ऑफ ए और बी. सो व्हाट इट परसेप्ट्स? परसेप्शंस में क्या रहेगा? लोकेशन एंड कंटेंट्स. अभी लोकेशन क्या है? दिस इज द surface of that A and B. And what is the content? If it is dirty, then it will sense to that dirt and then it will act according to that function. Example is that A is the location and dirty is the content. Yes. After that, what action it perform? It moves left, it moves right, it's suck that particular dirt, and no operations. Okay. So these are the actions which are performed through the actuators. And what is the agent's function? Agent function is that the function where this agent can be the vacuum cleaner, which does this operation. Okay, you can look up this table how it performs action. If many agents are there or multiple vacuum cleaners are there, then multiple agents can be used. Okay, so perception sequence क्या रहेगा? उसमें क्या है? A is the area, location, and clean is the content. Okay, if it is clean, then what it does? It goes to right. अगर A clean होगा तो वो कहाँ पे जाएगा? राइट में जाएगा. राइट में क्या है उसके? B. Okay, if location A and it is dirty, then what it does? It suck that particular duck. Then after that, it will see in B. If B is a clean, then it goes to left. These are the operations. Okay. Then if B is dirty, then it sucks. If A is clean again given, then it again goes to the right. After that, A is clean and A is dirty, then it sucks that particular dirt. So these are the actions which can be repetitively performed by this vacuum cleaner. So this is the example of an agent. Got it? Yes or no? ऐकताय की नाही?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the example of agent. After that, we have seen the types of agent: simple reflex agent, then model based agent, goal based, utility based, etc. I have added only a few steps to that. सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट यू कैन सी हमने अभी वैक्यूम क्लीनर का एग्जांपल लिया था. यहाँ पे देखो क्या करता है. सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स में ये क्या करता है? इट टेक्स द परसेप्शन फ्रॉम द एनवायरनमेंट. It sends that particular information. After that, having the rules matching, then it will perform that actions through the actuators. So ये function देखो कैसे है? Function reflects vacuum agent where the location and status is there. It returns a particular action. Yes, if status equals to dirty, then it returns sub. Okay, what it performs? Returns sub. Returns matlab kya? It returns this action, that is sucking. After that, else if location equals to A, it is a clean now, then it returns to the right. Okay, after that again it will check that location equals to B, then it returns the left. Okay, अभी ये दोनों में ये चेक क्या करेगा? If that status is dirty, then it returns the stuck. If that A is clean, then it returns right. If B is clean, then it returns left. Okay, so these three types of actions can be performed through this simple reflex agent. Got it? समझा गया? Yes or no? As we have seen this diagram already and we have seen this example right now. Yes. अभी इसमें क्या है, दिस इज द वैक्यूम क्लीनर वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम. यस, अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, दो स्पेस दिए हैं ए एंड बी, दो सरफेस दिए हैं, ठीक है. अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, टू क्लीन द सरफेस, गोल क्या है, टू क्लीन द सरफेस. तो परसेप्शन में क्या आएगा, दो चीजें आएगी परसेप्शन में. फर्स्ट वन क्या आएगा, लोकेशन. ओके. एंड सेकेंड वन क्या आएगा, कंडीशन और कंटेंट. बेस्ड ऑन दिस परसेप्शन एजेंट क्या करेगा, एक्शंस परफॉर्म करेगा. अभी एक्शंस कौन से उसके, लेफ्ट है, राइट है, सकिंग है एंड नो ऑपरेशन है. ठीक है. तो ये नंबर ऑफ परसेप्शन दिए हैं यहाँ पे. तो नंबर ऑफ परसेप्शन क्या है, इफ लोकेशन इज ए एंड इट इज क्लीन, स्टेटस क्या है उसका, क्लीन, देन इट गोज टू राइट. तो एजेंट को क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म करनी है, राइट जाना है. ठीक है. इफ लोकेशन इज ए एंड इफ स्टेटस ऑफ ए इज डर्टी, देन क्या एक्शन परफॉर्म करनी है उसको, सग परफॉर्म करना है. देन if location is b and it is clean, then what action it performs, it goes to left. Okay. If location is b and it is dirty, then what action will be performed, sucking will be performed. Okay. So in this way these actions can be performed by that multiple agents if multiple vacuum cleaners are there. Okay. So same example is taken here, you can see here, reflex vacuum agent where the location and status are the parameters and which returns a particular action. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
सेम फंक्शन राइट किया है यहाँ पे वही दिया है कि इफ दैट परसेप्शन गेट्स इम्परफेक्ट देन रूल्स वो मैच करता है विद द स्टेट्स एंड रूल्स, देन action will be performed based on that rule. Then we have seen the model based reflex agent. Model based में क्या देखा था हमने,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.